Today, we're quickly unboxing and setting up the VXE R1 NearLink gaming mouse. Inside the box, you get the mouse, the NearLink wireless dongle, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and some paperwork. Before using the mouse, make sure to peel off the protective films from the mouse feet. To turn it on, use the switch on the bottom and select your preferred connection mode. Then, plug the wireless dongle into your PC or use the USB cable for a wired connection. For customization, install the V-Hub software. From there, you can adjust the DPI, change the polling rate, customize the buttons, and check the battery level. And here's a quick test of the clicks, scroll wheel, tracking, and overall performance. That's everything you need to set up the VXE R1 NearLink. Thanks for watching.